In this video, we're going to tackle the inheritance exercise. Number one says inherit from the multiplayer game. So the game contract should inherit from the multiplayer game contract. Now, how do we inherit from another contract to make it our parent contract? Now, it's simply by using the is keyword and then calling the name of the parent contract, just like so. Perfect. Now, by writing these two words, that you may call them, I am essentially, this game contract is essentially now a child contract of the multiplayer game contract. Then it says call the parent joinGame function. Hint, you might have to use the super keyword. I need to call a joinGame function. Now you can see that both of these functions, both of these contracts rather, have this joinGame function. But we are asked here to call the parent function joinGame contract, this one right here. So how do we do that? Well, as you can see, when you have a parent contract and a child contract, and you have a function, you have two functions in both, one in each of the contracts, and the functions are bearing the same name, well, then you have to have this virtual, you have to have virtual in the parent contract function, and then override in the parent in the child contract function. Now, this is just to modify the functionality of this joinGame function. So the instruction is to call the parent joinGame function. So this one in the parent right here. Well, how do we do that? Well, it's simply by using the super keyword, super, then saying dot joinGame, just like so. So we are tapping into the super, that is the parent, and then getting the joinGame contract, joinGame function from the parent contract. It says increment player count in joinGame function. Now let me see what it's talking about. So I think we are going to implement the player count. Well, yeah, so we're going to increment the player count simply by 1. So just by saying player count plus equal to 1, just like so.